In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily find the WhatsApp web QR code. Whether you're new to WhatsApp web or just need a quick refresher on how to get connected, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or really any browser that you regularly use and trust. The great thing about WhatsApp web is that it supports all major browsers, so you have the flexibility to choose whichever one you're most comfortable with. Once you have your browser open, the next step is to visit the official WhatsApp web page. To do this, type in web.whatsapp.com into the address bar at the top of your browser and hit enter. This will take you directly to the WhatsApp web homepage. It's a secure, straightforward way to access your WhatsApp messages from your desktop. Now this is where the magic happens. As soon as the page loads, you'll want to wait just a few seconds. Don't worry, this won't take long. Almost immediately you'll see a QR code appear right at the center of your screen. This QR code is your gateway to connecting your phone to your desktop so you can enjoy all the conveniences of messaging right from your computer. This QR code can be a lifesaver, especially if you spend most of your day sitting at a desk and prefer typing on a physical keyboard, or if you simply want to keep your conversations running smoothly while you multitask. Plus, with WhatsApp web, it's easy to share files and links directly from your computer. Finally, it's time to put this QR code to use. Grab your phone, open up the WhatsApp app and go to the settings menu. From there, look for an option that says linked devices or a similar name. It may vary slightly depending on your phone's operating system. This is where you'll choose to link a new device. Once selected, your camera will activate, allowing you to scan the QR code that's displayed on your computer screen. Hold your phone steady and ensure the QR code is centered in the frame for the scan to work properly. And just like that, you're in. Your phone is now connected to WhatsApp web, and there you have it. By using this simple guide, you should now be successfully connected to WhatsApp web. It's a fantastic way to stay connected and manage your conversations more efficiently, all from the comfort of your desktop. Happy chatting and thanks for tuning in today.